All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So, one of the most embarrassing things I have ever done this morning, 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes into work, I walk upstairs and I thought I saw my friend, which was at the job site like 2 days ago, one of the two coworkers I used to work with like 5 years ago. So, it looked just like him, but he wasn't as fat. And I was like, hey, or I was like, he was like putting a light up because he was an electrician, obviously, but I was like, get it, boy, or something like that, like super like weird voice. And he just like stared at me and I was like, oh, that was not him. It was so embarrassing. Oh my gosh. And I didn't even like, I couldn't like find him again to say like, yo, sorry, that was, I thought you were someone else. So I just had to go the whole day knowing that I embarrassed myself. It was really funny, but like, oh my gosh, this guy must have been probably thought I don't even want to talk about it. Anyways, let's jump right into the video. I got a whole bunch of mail from the union, so I'm excited to open this up. I think it's like health information, credit union stuff, and then some of the Union Harrison Electrical Workers Trust. So I'm excited to show that or check that out, but let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so this is the general scenario of what I have been working with. I didn't realize these wires were so loose, so I'll tighten those up tomorrow. But anyways, you got your 4 wires coming into these units that I've been working on. The color doesn't really matter of the wire, that's just what we got, but usually there's 2 white wires with a blue stripe, a white wire with a green stripe, and a white wire with a yellow stripe. And this is what the setup kind of looks like. I have, like I said yesterday, the green box mounted with the tech screws to the back of the metal can, and then it's wired red, black, and white, and then the ground is just capped off and tucked behind the board. And the settings are, I think I'll talk about that later. And then you got the wire going in there with the CGB tightened down, the red and blue little air vent plugged in there. And then this is what I was talking about yesterday, this cheesy little metal piece that holds this into place, which allows it to move when the vent changes direction. So anyways, you have to, like I said yesterday, set these screws once you tighten down the clamp. So you have to basically close this shaft all the way, and then adjust the clamp all the way down, tighten it down, and then set the screws to the open position and the closed position that you as maxed out as you want it. And then this 2 wire right here will go through the wall into the DAT box, as always, with the little temperature rod going into the HVAC, and then that'll just get a blank cover. And then this is the HC valve, whatever that stands for, and that wire is so far away that I have to extend to it. I'm assuming all of them have reached so far into this metal box right here, but that one I'm either going to have to take this wire back out and run it over there, but I think they want it inside this box, so I'll probably just have to splice it twice to extend it, which is going to be pretty pointless, but yeah, I'll just probably do that. And then these are the labels, HC valve, and then the air damper, and then the other one is called the DP trans, which is the green box, and then the HC valve is the one that I just talked about outside. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. That is just the general scenario of what I have been doing the last 2 days. I'm doing that all day again today. Only had to fix one of old man's boxes today, and then all the other ones are brand new that I got to wire myself. So if I'm just starting out by myself or starting brand new on a unit, then I think it's a little bit faster than the units that I was doing last week, the 21 style, the big brain ones. So these ones are a little bit faster. I noticed it was probably like an hour and a half instead of hour and a half to 2 hours. So it's a little bit different, as you saw, and a little faster. So anyways, had a good day. It's just so hot in this building, it's ridiculous. But other than that, that's really my only complaint for the day. yeah, so it's been good. Sorry for the late upload last night. I'm really surprised I got like 128 views or something like that by the morning when I uploaded it like midnight. So appreciate that, guys. Maybe it's Scott holding down the fort from Scotland. So I appreciate that. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next one, and it would help out the channel. Check the description for anything else like social medias, Instagram, any video playlist. Check that down there if you want to check out apprentice videos or helpful tips or anything like that. Check the playlist, there's a whole bunch. And then lastly, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Might try to record a second video tonight or do a live stream. So stay tuned. See you guys in the next one. I appreciate the support. God bless. Peace out.